My lovely people in Pakistan, I've been there many times. I love the passion that you have, and I'm here speaking to encourage you more and more. Be a good student to be a good chef. It's a very good profession. It's something that many people, especially nowadays, looking for it, and it's something that it will take you much, much farther. It's about how much you invest in yourself and to choose the right way to learn from the good people and good teachers, and of course the future will be yours. Majid.
Hey young chefs, I'm 𝗷𝗃𝗲𝗚𝗵𝗯𝗃 from South Africa, and I was one of the founding members of the Young Chefs Committee for World Chefs Association. The message that I'd like to give you today is that in order to succeed in our industry, you have to network, meet people, take time, and not expect to be at the top without hard work. And going out there and working as hard as possible, trying new things, researching and reading is what's going to get you to the top. Best of luck with everything, and wishing you very warm welcomes and greetings from Abu Dhabi at the World Chefs Congress.
I'm the Vice President of Griffin Foods. We're a global product development company. We develop spices, seasonings, sauces, marinades, and other products that help large food industries deliver taste, flavor, and texture. The World Chefs Association has put on a wonderful show this year with a great culinary competition and some great speakers and engagements. As a word of advice to the students in Pakistan, the young chefs that are coming up in this world, I advise you to explore every part of the food industry. There are so many opportunities out there to grow and learn, and I think that investing your time and with education, you will certainly grow. So feel free to explore, understand, and gain all the knowledge there is out there, not only in Pakistan, but throughout the entire world.
Hi everybody, my name is 𝗪𝗪𝗃𝗍. I'm coming from Slovenia. Here in Abu Dhabi, I'm a team leader of our competitor. And of course, from my heart, I wish you all that you follow yourself. You must trust yourself and be just original. So you can do that, and best regards to Pakistan.
Good morning, young student chefs from Abu Dhabi in the Middle East at World Chefs Congress. My name's Dale Lyman. I'm a chef instructor from Melbourne, Australia, and I'm here with a group of young chefs, and we're experiencing everything that is World Chefs Congress. The young chefs have been experiencing some fantastic food, some fantastic speakers. So I would urge you young chefs, when you get a chance, if you get a chance to come to World Chefs Congress, come to World Chefs Congress. If you get a chance to be involved in World Chefs, young chefs, do it. Any opportunity, take every opportunity you get. This is a wonderful career and a great lifestyle in food. Food is about sharing, giving, so enjoy that part of it, take every opportunity and be the best you can be.
This is Chef Nazim from America right now, but I'm born and raised in Bangladesh, Dhaka, and also American citizen, so dual citizenship. But welcome to World Chef Congress, Pakistani team, and this is very important for every chefs that we rethink. We think positive, because this is there's lots of good opportunities all over the world as a chef. But you have to believe in Chef Nazim's 3 P's. The first P is a passion, so you need to have a passion for your job. Second P is a patience, because everything comes gradually. That means time will dictate that what you want it to be. Like if you want it to be a doctor, then you have to study hard and do all those things, and then you will become a doctor. So you need that patient piece to it. And then third P that I always talked about, that is persistency. So that means you need to do everything with the patiently repeated actions. Make sure that your hard work and dedications are there, and all those 3 P's, when you collect together, then you become the best chef in the world.
Ayan, and I'm from Maldives, and we would like to see more people from Pakistan participate in competitions like this. Love from Maldives. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Hussam Suleiman. I am the president of the Egyptian Chefs Associations and also a culinary competition committee at the WACS. I'm here to attend the Chefs Congress, and also I have two teams coming from Egypt to participating the global pastry chefs competitions and African Cup for the young chefs.
So how was your experience over here?
In total experience?
No. Your experience in here, you feel good?
Actually, this is not the first time to attend a congress in general, but in Abu Dhabi especially. It will surprise me with the whole participations here this year. A lot of chefs, a lot of participations, and this is a great for people to see something different and learn.
I am Toha.
This is a great field for young people to work in, and you get a lot of learning experience.
And we would like to more young people in this field.
Love from Maldives.
Hello everyone, this is Nagesh. I'm a culinary trainer for GRT Group of Hotels and Resorts. It's been nice meeting our neighbors over here, and this is my first experience in Culinary Congress. It's going great, it's very informative, and we tend to learn all the culinary techniques, plate presentations, and the trends happening in the latest culinary industry. As a student, my personal advice is stick to your goals. Okay, learn your basics correctly, have a vision what you're going to do in next 5 years, and train yourself, and you work hard and keep your dedication and passion and keep cooking. Thank you very much. Have a great day, and greetings from India.